Daydreaming is a reality. You want freedom and value. What are you putting in place? Your grandfather, your grandmother, your father and mother reside under salary and wages. You want to play the same squid game. When will you gain freedom and value? The era of being employed has gone. The technology is moving very fast. But you know what? You still have a chance to make changes in your life, to have freedom, not to live under the role of someone, to be your own boss. Today I have 4 ways, 4 courses I can teach you for free to start your own business, to reach, to be a 6-figure person. I can teach you to how to do affiliate marketing with some companies. I can teach you to do technical writing jobs for some students. I can teach you copywriting jobs. I can teach you advertisement copy to do with some companies. The question is, do you want to know how these jobs work? Comment how. Then subscribe to my YouTube as Mastermind so that you won't miss another video like this for free. Do so, do hurry. I'm expecting you very soon. Thank you.